Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will be talking about types of guidance: personal, health, and social. Let us try to understand what is personal guidance and its components. Personal guidance is a form of support and assistance aimed at promoting individual well-being, self-awareness, and personal development. It addresses various aspects of an individual's life, including emotional, psychological, and interpersonal dimensions. Components and focus areas: 1. Emotional support, providing a safe and supportive environment for individuals to express and manage their emotions. Therapists and counselors, mental health professionals who offer emotional guidance and support. Support groups, communities where individuals facing similar challenges can share experiences and provide emotional support to one another. 2. Self-awareness and reflection, encouraging individuals to reflect on their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors to develop a deeper understanding of themselves. Life coaches, professionals who guide individuals in self-reflection and setting personal goals. Journaling and mindfulness practices, tools individuals can use for self-reflection and increased self-awareness. 3. Goal setting and personal development, assisting individuals in setting and achieving personal goals, whether related to career, relationships, or self-improvement. Life coaches, professionals who work with individuals to set and achieve personal and professional goals. Personal development courses, programs that provide tools and strategies for continuous self-improvement. 4. Stress management, offering guidance on coping with stress and developing effective stress management techniques. Therapists and counselors, professionals who provide strategies for managing stress and improving overall mental well-being. Wellness coaches, experts who guide individuals in adopting healthy lifestyle choices for stress reduction. 5. Interpersonal relationships, providing advice on building and maintaining healthy relationships, whether familial, romantic, or social. Relationship counselors, professionals who assist individuals and couples in navigating relationship challenges. Communication experts, professionals who offer guidance on effective communication and conflict resolution in relationships. Delivery methods of personal guidance: 1. Individual counseling sessions, one-on-one sessions with therapists, counselors, or life coaches to address personal challenges and goals. Benefits: confidential and personalized guidance tailored to an individual's unique needs. 2. Group therapy and support groups, group sessions where individuals with similar concerns or experiences come together to share and support each other. Benefits: shared experiences and a sense of community, fostering a supportive environment for personal growth. 3. Online resources and apps, digital platforms, apps, and online resources offering information, exercises, and tools for personal development and well-being. Benefits: accessibility and convenience, allowing individuals to access guidance at their own pace and schedule. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal. Let me now discuss what is health guidance. Health guidance is a process designed to provide individuals with information, support, and resources to maintain and improve their physical and mental well-being. It encompasses a range of topics, from preventive health care to managing health conditions. Components and focus areas: 1. Preventive health information, offering guidance on maintaining a healthy lifestyle and preventing illnesses through practices such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and preventive screenings. Health educators, professionals who provide information on healthy living, preventive measures, and wellness strategies. Public health campaigns, initiatives aimed at promoting awareness and education on preventive health measures. 2. Nutritional guidance, providing advice on proper nutrition, dietary choices, and healthy eating habits to support overall well-being. nutritionists and dietitians, experts who offer personalized nutritional guidance based on an individual's health goals and requirements. Health apps and websites, platforms that provide nutritional information, meal planning, and tracking tools. 3. Fitness and exercise recommendations, offering guidance on physical activity, exercise routines, and fitness plans to promote cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. Fitness trainers, professionals who create personalized exercise plans and guide individuals in achieving their fitness goals. Health and wellness centers, facilities that offer fitness classes, workout programs, and expert guidance. 4. Mental health support, providing guidance and resources for maintaining mental well-being, managing stress, and seeking support for mental health challenges. Mental health counselors and therapists, professionals who offer guidance and therapy for mental health issues. Mental health hotlines and apps, resources that provide immediate support and information for individuals in crisis. 5. Disease management, assisting individuals in understanding and managing chronic illnesses or health conditions, including medication management and lifestyle adjustments. Healthcare providers, doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals who offer guidance on disease management. Patient advocacy groups, organizations that provide resources and support for individuals with specific health conditions. Delivery methods of health guidance. 1. Health workshops and seminars, group sessions that cover topics such as healthy living, stress management, and disease prevention. Benefits: dissemination of health-related information to a broader audience and the opportunity for interactive learning. 2. One-on-one health counseling, individual sessions with health professionals such as nutritionists, fitness trainers, or mental health counselors to address specific health needs and goals. Benefits: personalized advice and guidance tailored to an individual's health status and objectives. 3. Online health resources, digital platforms, websites, and mobile apps that offer information, tools, and resources for various health-related topics. Benefits: accessibility, convenience, and the ability to track and monitor health goals using technology. Lastly, let us understand what is social guidance. Social guidance focuses on helping individuals develop positive relationships, navigate social interactions, and contribute to the well-being of their communities. It encompasses aspects of communication, community engagement, and ethical decision-making. Components and focus areas: 1. Interpersonal communication, providing guidance on effective communication skills, active listening, and building positive relationships with others. 2. Relationship building, offering advice on building and maintaining healthy relationships with family, friends, colleagues, and romantic partners. 3. Community engagement, assisting individuals in becoming active and engaged members of their communities, participating in civic activities, and contributing to community well-being. 4. Cultural competence, providing guidance on understanding and respecting diverse cultures, fostering inclusivity, and promoting cultural competence. 5. Ethical decision-making, offering guidance on making ethical choices in personal and professional life, considering the impact on oneself and others. Delivery methods of social guidance. 1. Social skills workshops, group sessions that cover topics such as communication, relationship building, and conflict resolution. Benefits: opportunities for individuals to learn and practice social skills in a supportive environment. 2. Community events and programs, local events, seminars, and community programs that encourage social engagement and participation. Benefits: connecting individuals with their communities, fostering a sense of belonging, and promoting social well-being. 3. Online social resources, digital platforms, forums, and social media groups that offer information, discussions, and resources related to social skills and community engagement. benefits, accessibility, and the ability to connect with a diverse range of individuals and communities online. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.